Tired of seeing more hair in your brush than on your head? Let's dive into the sugary world of hair gummies and find out if they're a higher growth miracle or just cleverly marketed candy. First, let's talk ingredients. Most hair gummies boast biotin, folic acid, and vitamins like A, C, D, and E. These are essential nutrients, yes, but crucial for overall health. Not exclusively for hair growth. Biotin deficiency is rare, and supplementing if you aren't deficient won't magically transform your hair. Now, dosage matters. Compare the amounts of each vitamin in the gummies to your recommended daily intake. Often, the doses are relatively low also. Be aware of potential interactions with medications you're already taking. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. What does the science say? Studies on hair gummies are limited and often sponsored by the gummy companies themselves. Anecdotal evidence is plentiful. Lots of people swear they work, but solid scientific proof is lacking. Think of it as supporting a healthy foundation. If you're deficient, they may help, but they're not a miracle cure for genetic hair loss or other underlying conditions. Finally, let's talk about expectations. Hair growth is a slow process. Don't expect dramatic results overnight. If you're dealing with significant hair loss, it's crucial to see a dermatologist to rule out underlying medical issues. The truth, hair gummies can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle, but they're not a guaranteed solution. A balanced diet, stress management, and proper hair care are just as, if not more, important. Do your research, manage your expectations, and remember, a skeptical eye is your best defense against empty promises. Have you tried hair gummies? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.